Project Zeus, rods from the gods. Low Earth orbit. Classified weapon platform. August 17, 2027. In the stillness above the Earth, a slender tungsten cylinder detached from a silent satellite. There was no explosion, no heat, no guidance system beyond gravity itself. The rod fell, faster and faster, like a divine spear hurled from Olympus. By the time it struck its target, an unacknowledged facility deep in the Iranian Zagros Mountains, it was traveling at over Mach 10. No crater, no radiation, just obliteration. The world would never know, because Project Zeus had just spoken. The origin born in the shadow of Cold War paranoia and 21st century asymmetrical warfare, Project Zeus was a vision from the stars, not a missile, not a laser, not a nuke, but something more elegant and terrifying. A weapon without fuel, without fire, just rods of tungsten, dense, sharp, and dropped from orbit to deliver the energy of a small nuke without fallout. Kinetic bombardment, it was nicknamed rods from the gods. The secret buildup. While the public believed American space policy prohibited militarization, a black program under DARPA moved silently. Using military space shuttles and repurposed classified satellites, the U.S. launched Project Zeus platforms between 2004 and 2018. Each satellite carried 12 tungsten rods, 20 ft long, 1 ft wide, precision targeting gyroscopes, a blackout cloaking shell to evade ground-based tracking, stationed in orbits masked as communications arrays. The Zeus satellites passed over every strategic target on Earth, every 92 minutes. No warning, no defense, no escape. First use. The Lost Crater. In 2011, a Chinese deep Earth lab in Xinjiang mysteriously collapsed. Official reports cited a 6.3 earthquake, but the seismic signature didn't match. What did match? A hyper-localized impact zone. No surface heat tremors that lasted less than 1.2 seconds. A classified U.S. Space Command alert titled Zeus Protocol, Delta 1 deployed. The operation was scrubbed from logs. Only a few on Earth knew it had been a test. Why kinetic? The genius of Zeus was its stealth and deniability. It left no electronic footprint, no chemical residue, no warhead, no radiation, just sudden godlike destruction. Targets included hidden bunkers, mobile ICBM sites, deep terrorist compounds, underground labs in Siberia, Libya, North Korea. If someone got too close to truth or power, a rod fell. The escalation 2025. Zeus wasn't just a prototype. It was a global enforcement mechanism. Unofficially deployed by an elite joint command cell known as Archon 5, Zeus became the ultimate off-the-books deterrent. Forget drones, forget cyber warfare. Now the battlefield was orbital, and justice came from above. A whispered rebellion. Some insiders tried to stop it. An NSA analyst leaked partial coordinates of Zeus satellites in 2023. She vanished 2 days later. A rogue Space Force colonel went public with orbital assassinations. His plane crashed mid-takeoff. A senator once said, "We replaced the hammer of justice with the lightning of empire." Congress never got the full report. The budget line read, Orbital Debris Management Initiative. Epilogue, Vatican Archives 2030. A declassified Vatican intelligence scroll uncovered in the Black Archive described an ancient legend. And the sky spears shall return, forged by man in the image of gods, descending without fire, to mark the reckoning of nations. It was labeled Codex Zeus. In the margin, a modern note scribbled in Latin, Quis custodiet ipsos custodes? Who watches the watchman?